Welcome to our YouTube video on how to earn money and work with Hostpapa.com. In this extensive guide, we will explore the incredible earning opportunities and work options available through Hostpapa.com. Whether you're seeking a side hustle or a full-time career, Hostpapa.com provides a platform for individuals to monetize their skills and contribute to the web hosting industry. In this video, we will walk you through the process of getting started, optimizing your earning potential, and ensuring a positive experience while working with Hostpapa.com. So, let's dive in and discover how you can embark on a rewarding journey with Hostpapa.com. Understanding Hostpapa. Hostpapa.com is a renowned web hosting company that offers a range of hosting services, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated servers. In addition to hosting, Hostpapa.com provides domain registration, website building tools, and other web-related services. As a web professional, you can leverage the platform to earn money through various means, such as affiliate marketing, reseller hosting, or providing web design and development services. Evaluating Hostpapa.com's trustworthiness. Before fully engaging with any platform, it's important to assess its credibility and reputation. Let's check Hostpapa.com on scamadvisor.com and trustpilot.com. According to scamadvisor.com, Hostpapa.com has a high trust score, indicating it is a reliable and trustworthy platform. The website analysis takes into account factors such as domain age, customer reviews, and the company's transparency. On trustpilot.com, Hostpapa.com has mixed reviews from users. While some users report positive experiences with the platform's services and support, others express concerns regarding technical issues and billing. It is advisable to review these feedbacks and consider them when making decisions. To begin your journey with Hostpapa.com, the first step is to visit the website and explore the available options. Sign up for an account and choose the service or program that aligns with your skills and goals. You'll be taken to an application form where you'll need to provide information about yourself. After filling out the required information and agreeing to the terms, submit your application. Make sure to read and agree to the affiliate program's terms and conditions before proceeding. Hostpapa's affiliate team will review your application. The approval process might take a few days to a week, depending on the program's policies. Once approved, you will receive unique affiliate links or banners that you can place on your website or use in your marketing efforts. Hostpapa.com offers user-friendly interfaces and tools that simplify the process of getting started. Earning opportunities. Hostpapa.com provides several earning opportunities. Let's explore a few popular options. Affiliate marketing. Join the Hostpapa.com affiliate program and earn commissions by promoting their hosting services. As an affiliate, you'll receive a unique tracking link that you can share through various channels like blogs, social media, or email marketing. Reseller hosting. With Hostpapa.com's reseller hosting program, you can start your own hosting business. You'll be able to sell hosting services under your brand name while benefiting from Hostpapa.com's infrastructure and support. Web design and development services. If you possess web design and development skills, you can offer your services to Hostpapa.com customers. This could involve creating websites, customizing themes, or providing technical support. Content creation. Hostpapa.com often seeks expert contributors to create content related to web hosting, website optimization, and online business strategies. You can contribute blog posts, video tutorials, or other valuable content to earn recognition and compensation. Optimizing your earning potential. To maximize your earning potential with Hostpapa.com, consider the following strategies. Develop your skills. Continuously upgrade your knowledge and skills related to web hosting, website development, and digital marketing. Stay updated with industry trends and technologies to provide the best possible services. Build your brand. If you're engaged in reseller hosting or offering web design services, focus on building your brand and reputation. Create a professional website, establish a strong online presence, and showcase your portfolio and testimonials. Market your services. Promote your services through various channels, including social media, industry forums, and relevant communities. Leverage your network and engage in collaborations or partnerships with other professionals. Provide exceptional customer service. Ensure that your customers receive top-notch support and assistance. Be responsive to their inquiries, resolve issues promptly, and maintain a high level of professionalism. Working environment and support. Hostpapa.com provides a supportive working environment for its employees and partners. They offer comprehensive support through various channels, including live chat, ticketing systems, and phone support. Additionally, they provide extensive documentation, tutorials, and knowledge bases to assist users in their web hosting endeavors. The platform emphasizes a customer-centric approach and aims to create a positive experience for both customers and professionals working with Hostpapa.com. Payment and compensation. Hostpapa.com provides clear guidelines regarding payment and compensation. Depending on the program or service you choose, payment structures may vary. For affiliate marketers, Hostpapa.com offers competitive commission rates, typically paid on a monthly basis. Reseller hosting partners can earn revenue through hosting package sales, while web design and development services are compensated based on agreed-upon rates. Familiarize yourself with the payment terms and requirements to ensure a smooth and transparent payment process. You've now learned the essential steps to earn money and work with Hostpapa.com. By leveraging your skills, exploring various earning opportunities, and optimizing your performance, you can unlock significant earning potential within the web hosting industry. Hostpapa.com offers a platform that empowers individuals to contribute, learn, and grow professionally. Remember, success with Hostpapa.com requires dedication, continuous learning, and a commitment to delivering exceptional services. Start your journey today, explore the available earning options, and embark on an exciting and rewarding career with Hostpapa.com. Best of luck in your endeavors.